In this video, I'll show you how to use Make to sync Calendly events with Salesforce opportunities. Start by signing into your Make account. From the dashboard, click Create a new scenario. Next, click the plus button and search for Calendly. Select it as your first module, then choose a trigger such as Watch Events or Watch Invitees. Connect your Calendly account and select the event type you want to monitor. After that, click the plus button to add another module. Search for Salesforce, then choose the action Create a record or Update a record, depending on how you want to manage your opportunities. Now connect your Salesforce account and select Opportunity as the record type. Map the information from the Calendly event, such as the attendee's name, meeting date, and other relevant details, to the appropriate Salesforce fields. Next, review your field mappings and click Run once to test the scenario. Confirm that a new opportunity is created or updated correctly in Salesforce. Finally, click Save, then turn the scenario on so your automation runs automatically whenever a qualifying Calendly event is created. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Make to sync Calendly events with Salesforce opportunities. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.